Okay guys, welcome to Building the Exocet. Today, I'm gonna drive my Turbo Exocet for the first time. All right, so we're gonna get out in a minute. I got the GoPro hooked up to the car. I also got my wife on the street shooting some cell phone video of the passes of the car too. I'm gonna show you all those videos in a sec, but first off, just a couple things. I basically have just done some quick VL tuning just to kind of get my AFRs in order and kind of get my VE table somewhat stabilized. So it's working out pretty good. I got a halfway decent idle, but I do have a couple problems. First problem is brakes. I got either a master or a brake booster problem, or there's something wrong with the spring. So I'm going to replace the spring first. My brake booster's still working, but the pedal's not fully releasing and returning to the normal position. So I think I got some issue with the brake booster, possibly, but if it is, it's a small issue. So the car's still drivable. I do have brakes, but you'll probably notice my brake lights are on in the video because when I let off the brake pedal, it only releases part way, but not enough to hit the switch to release the brake light. Other issue is cooling fans. I did get those solved. One poster, I can't remember your name, you'd gone through and told me about you had a problem with your brakes. And then you were telling me in Tuner Studio a couple things. I actually checked and you were right. I did have it on the wrong pin. I went back and looked through my build paperwork on which pin I wired the cooling fan to, and it was injector G, when before I thought it was a different pin. So I switched that somehow in the new tune that I forgot about, and that's why my fans weren't coming on. But now it seems I can control the fans. I have my temperature set, so everything should be good to go there. Okay, so enough of me blabbing. Let's get out there. Let's hit the street. I'll show you guys a few quick pulls in the Exocet. So let's get to it. Brakes.